Hey guys, Matt with Tips for Truckers here. And today I was driving the day cab instead of my truck, and the truck wouldn't start. Now this is the secret. If your truck won't start, this is a secret to get it to start. I mean, if your starter's not working. I mean, obviously if your batteries aren't charged up, then you just need to jump. But if it's not cranking at all, most of the time it's your starter. If your starter's not working, this is one way to get it to crank. But you only have a couple times doing this. This is on your last leg when you're down to this. But if you hear the solenoid engaging and it's clicking, but it's not spinning, and you have enough battery voltage, it's probably your starter. And what you do is, while someone's cranking it, you got to do this at the same time is the secret. While someone's cranking it, turning the key, you take a big bar and you hit the starter. Now on this particular truck, the starter's down here. And this is kind of what it looks like. It's a cylinder, a little plastic part and a metal part at the end. And there's the solenoid right there. That engages the motor, but the big part is the whole motor. And you might want to also check the wiring here. This one was a little bit loose, so that might be it too. But yeah, just give it a couple taps with a hammer or a pipe or something while someone's trying to start it at the same time. And about half the time when you have a bad starter, that'll work, but you only get one or two tries. It's when the starter's on its last leg. It goes completely kaput, well, it's done. Anyway, if you ever can't start your truck and you know it's the starter, just tap it a few times while you're cranking it.